we will breed a pure dragon and nature dragon that if we will combine it it will be pure nature, guys. So easy. So here, model 36. I'm breeding now because it's many hours to go, or 2 days yet before we have a pure nature. Guys, see, look at that. It's thick. It's many time. It's like 2 days. We have pure habitat. So guys, so it's so easy. Breed pure dragon and nature. So easy, guys. So it will become a pure nature. It's so easy, guys. So please like and subscribe it. So I will gonna video later tomorrow because pure nature dragon is so many take hours to go before we will start feeding pure nature. This, so guys, please like and subscribe it and comment down below what will I should breed next. So thank you for watching. I hope you like it. So thank you.